Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. We know that Indian Navy is very much awaiting for the completion of 4 stealth-guided missile destroyers of Project 15B or Vishakhapatnam class. Not only that, Indian Navy is also awaiting for the completion of 7 frigates of Project 17A or Nilagiri class. These destroyers and frigates are very much required to further boost the Indian Navy's strength in the sea surface. Even though these frigates and destroyers are being built, there was a requirement for a strong and powerful naval artillery gun which can be fitted on these ships to make it more combat ready. Initially, there was a decision for fitting the guns with Italian firm Otto Melara, but later the decision was changed by Indian Navy and Indian government. As per the latest update, it looks like Indian Navy has chosen the artillery guns which is manufactured by BAE Systems Land and Armaments. Even though there were few pending decisions to be taken to clear the sale of these 13 Mk45 127mm 62 caliber lightweight guns, it is said to be almost confirmed deal with the United States. These guns are designed for use against surface warships, anti-aircraft and shore bombardment to support the amphibious operations. The gun mount features an automatic loader with a capacity of 20 rounds which can be fired under full automatic control, taking a little over a minute to exhaust those rounds at maximum fire rate. If you see the various other countries who operate this gun on their ships are Australia, Greece, Japan, South Korea, Turkey and the United States. If this deal gets confirmed, India would also be added to this particular list of operators. As per the defense sources, it is said that this deal comprises 13 5-inch 62 caliber Mk45 Mod 4 naval gun systems, 3500 D349 projectile and 5-inch by 44 Mk92 Mod 1 ammunitions. Not just that, this deal also includes the spare parts, the personnel and equipment training, publications and technical data, transportation, US government and contractor technical assistance, and other related logistic supports. These Mk45 Mod 4 guns include a 62 caliber barrel, strengthened gun and mount subsystems, along with advanced control system enhancements and a reduced signature. These guns will also have a low maintenance gun shield. These types of guns and weapons will enhance the capability of Indian Navy to manage the regional threats and to strengthen its homeland defense. In addition to fitting the destroyers and frigates with these Mk45 guns, Indian Navy is also planning to acquire almost 38 extended range BrahMos missile for a deal of 1,800 crores, and this deal is expected to be approved very soon. Indian Navy wants the BrahMos to be installed on all warships. These 450 km BrahMos missile, once inducted, will be fitted on the under construction Vishakhapatnam class destroyers, in which these Mk45 guns are also going to be fitted. So that was a quick update on Indian Navy's plan to acquire 13 Mk45 gun, which they are planning to fit on the Project 15B destroyers and Project 17A frigates. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.